and parachute on the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Ready to go. We're coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots.
And today on Have a Knife Day, December the 4th be with you. That's right, we're doing the 24 days of Knifemas. And here we are on the 4th, which means there's only 20 more days before we have this knife built using this Boker Plus Advent Calendar. Now, it seems like they're all sold out everywhere that I know of, but now that you're aware of it, this makes a great gift because everyone can buy a fully assembled knife. But here's something that you can sit and maybe do with somebody else in your family, and you'll have something to share together. So with no further ado, let us look for number 4. Here is number 4. It's a little tiny box. Let's see if we can get this puppy open. And it's hardware, and look at that. They even put some blue Loctite on there for us, and that is really great. Get everything, put it back in here. Now, let's look at what we have gotten so far. The liners, the locking mechanism, 2 Allen tools, and now the hardware. Well, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. The idea is to do one of these a day, and we're going to go on this journey together, and we're going to build a knife. So with that being said, thank you so much for spending this time here with me today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in 24 days, we're going to have a knife day. Well, actually, it would be 20. And in 20 days, we're going to have a knife day.